Introducing a commercial rooftop unit from Johnson Controls, unlike anything on the market today. A rooftop unit so efficient, it already meets performance standards from the year 2023. So flexibly designed, it will save specifiers and installers time and money before it's even running. So easy to service, routine maintenance will be unexpectedly simple and radically more efficient. So reliable, it comes with a promotional labor warranty that's 10 times longer than most competitors. All this, plus class-leading standard efficiency, the broadest array of airflow options, and exclusive smart equipment controls. It's what makes this groundbreaking 25 to 80 ton rooftop unit from Johnson Controls the new benchmark in commercial comfort cooling. Today and tomorrow.